Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Errors. Today in this video, it's a short fix, but it's pretty essential to a lot of users. If you're using Microsoft Outlook Classic app on your Windows computer, and if it is giving you a tough time, like it is crashing, it's frozen, it's not responding, then this is the fix I am going to share with you right now. Like I pulled up my Outlook, and on many occasions in this Outlook app, what I experience, it gets frozen. It does not respond. Even if I want to close it, sometimes I cannot do that. So something is interrupting, something is causing trouble here. So in order to troubleshoot a problem like that, the first thing we need to do is to look for a possible update for this application. And to check for the update, open one of your programs like Word or Excel. Then on the left side bottom corner, look for Account. In the next window, you will notice a button, Update Options. Click on it and click on Update Now. So this is the first step. You go in and look for a possible update. If there is an update available to your Outlook program, there's a possibility it's not going to work properly. So by updating the program, you will probably fix the problem. If you don't have any update, and if it doesn't fix the problem, let's move towards the next step. In the next step, we are going to do a quick troubleshooting. Press Windows and R together on the keyboard, and then type appwiz.cpl. Press OK. This is going to bring up the list of programs installed on this computer. Now navigate to Microsoft Office. Once it's selected, at the very top, you're going to notice an option that's Change. Click on it. Click Yes. Now, in the next window, you will have two options how you would like to repair your Microsoft Office program. There's a quick repair, which will fix most issues quickly without needing an internet connection. But if you choose second option, online repair, that will fix all the issues, but it will take a little longer, and it requires an internet connection throughout the process. So go ahead and click on a quick repair and then just repair. If doing a quick repair does not fix the problem, then you can go ahead and choose the second option, online repair, wherein it actually does pretty much like a removal of this app and then reinstallation from the scratch. So that process takes time and definitely needs internet. And by performing only these three steps, you will be able to get over most of the problems, whether it's in Word, Excel, or it's about your Microsoft Outlook Classic application. Well, this is the quick fix video from Crazy Errors. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe Crazy Errors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Until next time, you take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.